Why, hello there. My name is Novarius and welcome to my broadcast. It has come to my attention that some people are unaware of how to properly cut a union? No, that's not correct. An union? Oh dear God, never. An union. Yes, exactly. An union, that's how you say it. As you may have seen, some individuals don't even give a semblance of effort as exemplified by this gentleman. I'm not very familiar with this one individual, but you see he displays a very mixed technique. He is only average bad, but clearly doesn't demonstrate very much experience.
Make sure you don't cut yourself or cut it like a retard.
And this bitch clearly wants to cut her fucking hand off. Holy shit, what the fuck is that? Bitch, you're going to lose your fingers! How do you have a cooking channel? And then lastly, this asshole is just haunted. There is no helping him. I think I can help all these individuals by presenting a seamstress's guide to how to properly and safely cut an onion. Method number 1. Rotary cutter. First, you must cut around the circumference of the butt end of the onion and along its little jack end. If your rotary cutter fails to pierce all the way through to the core of the onion, then you can simply take a spare piece of thread and ninja it off. And this can be done very safely, quickly, and painlessly. No need to make your poor onion suffer. This is how to cut an onion, not how to be so young. Repeat the same method along the vertical circumference of your onion. And lastly, you can finish it off by dicing or slicing your onion with the rotary cutter. This should be very safe and you can save your fingies. Method number 2, the serger. Now, this method is a little dangerous, so we are not going to be like Miss Mary over here. As you see, this machine is a cast iron madman that will not bat an eye to destroy anything that comes through its path. So, dash. Then your fingies shall be just fine. Place your onion scales. Yes, that is what they are called. And then you let it fucking rip. You will also notice the unthreaded needles piercing through every part of your onion. This is splendid because it helps release the, whatever that word is, the syn-propanethyl S-oxide, which once it meets the human eye begins to turn into sulfur. Oh, it also releases some flavor, but that is the least of my interests. While you are at your sewing station, you can lovingly and creatively embroider messages and designs into your onion. These messages can go to a variety of people. This can be given to your lover, or maybe now your ex-lover. You can even make things like a quilt, or possibly to pay tribute to the root vegetable that you so brutally murdered. Method 3. Maybe just learn how to cut a fucking onion properly! All you must do is decapitate the jack, keep the root ass end of your onion, you must cut vertically across half into the onion, and then cut horizontally into slices. If you are aiming for a diced corpse, all you must do is cut vertically across the onion into little slices, and then cut horizontally into the desired pieces of the onion. It's not that fucking hard!